with biology education. I know I had 240 in Jamb, but biology education. How am I supposed to become a doctor with biology education? All my mates are already in 300 level, and I'm still here. And now I have to start reading for Jamb again. Like, again. I'm tired. I'm just tired. I'm tired. Maybe that is your story too. Maybe you've written Jamb a number of times and you've still not gotten the course you wanted. Or maybe this is even your first time writing Jamb and you're worried, you're scared, you're asking, why do so many people fail? Can I actually score above 300 in Jamb? Actually, yes, you can. Now I'm going to need you to do some things for me as we go on. And the first thing I'm going to need you to do is to forget. Yes, forget about your past failures. Forget about your friends' failures. Forget about the failures of people that have gone before you. Forget about whether you went to a good school or not. Forget your last Jamb score. Forget that you did not do as well as you wanted in your WAEC exam. Forget your parents' disappointment. Forget how anybody at all felt about your exams. I need you to forget all of those things, because if you do not forget them, they will continue to limit you. All those things, they are already in the past. Now you have a fresh start, a new opportunity to prove to yourself that you can actually do well. I need you to delete those things from your mind. Because for as long as you believe those things, for as long as you continue to remember your past failures, you keep thinking that you can't. But you actually can. I know it's hard, right? I know that voice keeps telling you you did not do well. That voice keeps telling you your parents are disappointed in you. But I need you to shut out that voice. I need you to stop believing those things. Now you can rewrite the story all over again. The next thing I need you to do for me is to accept. I need you to accept the reality. Most times we expect things to be easy, and that is why we get easily disappointed and discouraged when things do not go as we planned. But today I need you to accept the truth. Yes, it is going to be hard, but it is very, very possible. And you can achieve it. Think about it. Everyone can do easy stuff. I mean, it's easy, right? But not everyone actually has the courage to do hard stuff. And that is exactly why people celebrate you when you do hard stuff, because they know that not everyone out there can do it. That is why you feel proud and special when you're able to achieve something that other people could not. Yes, because it was hard and you chose not to give up. It was hard and you still did it. So right now, I need you to accept the truth and use it to your advantage. Whenever it gets hard or you get tired of reading, just remind yourself it is supposed to be hard. But the sweet part is coming. When you begin to see hard stuff as normal, when you begin to actually expect things to be hard, you don't give up easily anymore, because now your mind is prepared to take whatever challenges may come. You are not easily scared. It's like when you want to jump into a swimming pool and then you're warned that the water is very cold. Now your mind is prepared that it's cold, so the shock is not as much as when nobody warned you. So now you know it is going to be hard. Just accept it. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. If it was easy to score high, everyone would be scoring high. But because it actually takes some measure of sacrifice to actually get it, that is why not so many people get it. So accept it now that it is going to be hard. When it gets hard, remind yourself, yes, I expected it to be hard, so you won't get scared when it's hard. You keep going. Exactly. So accept that it is going to be hard. But can you do it? Yes, you can. And that leads me to the next thing. Believe that you can. See, I'm literally here to convince you that you actually can. Let me explain to you. If anyone else out there was able to do it, you are able to do it. Yes, and that is one thing I usually tell myself. If anybody else out there is able to achieve it, I am able to achieve it too. And I deserve to get it too. Stop settling for less, right? Stop settling for little. Stop living life like some people deserve the good stuff and you don't. You deserve to have a high jam score. Yes, you deserve to have everything that you want in this life. As long as somebody else is able to have it, you deserve to have it too. It is not reserved for some set of people. It is not reserved for some particular category of people. No, you deserve to study the course that you want in the university that you want. So if some people are gaining admission for that course, you deserve to gain admission for it too. So stop leaving it to some people. Start believing that you deserve it and start working towards it. If you don't believe that you deserve it, there's no way you're going to reach for it. So this is me telling you now that you should start believing that it also belongs to you. It does not belong to one set of people. It belongs to you too. Good things belong to you too. You just need to have the courage to go after them. Exactly. You just need to have the boldness to demand from life the things that you deserve. And that boldness will also include sacrificing some things. Yes, you might need to sacrifice some hours every day to study, but do not give up because of those sacrifices, because it is going to be worth it in the end, right? Imagine yourself studying what you want in the university that you want. How nice would that be? Whether it is home or abroad, people that are doing it had the courage to go for it. They had the courage to ask from life what they thought they deserved. They did not settle for less and think, oh, if I can just have 200 in my Jamb exam, I'm okay. No, people are having 300 plus. So allow yourself to also dream big. Allow yourself to ask for big things, right? And then work towards them, because you deserve to have it. And lastly, let me say, why do you need a high Jamb score? Yes, aside the fact that you're going to get the course that you want in the university that you want, hopefully, there's also a self-pride that comes with actually doing well. Like, there's a way that you feel about yourself. You feel so good. Like, I actually did this. With God's help, I did this. So then it builds confidence in you. You know that the next thing that's coming, you have the ability, you're capable enough to tackle it, because you've been able to actually win. You've been able to actually overcome some challenges in the past. You've been able to do well in an exam before. And when they bring you another exam, you're not scared because you've done it before. And that is what having a high Jamb score does to you, right? It improves your confidence. You know you can do it. And then it has a way of, people are proud of you, right? Everyone is saying, oh, my child has a good Jamb score. And you also have the confidence to ask anybody for help, because I mean, if a child comes to me and has 300 plus and I am in the position to help the child, I will gladly help the student compared to somebody that comes to me and has 180. Right? And that is the way human beings are. Because I'm going to be proud to hold the result of the 300 plus person and say, this is my person, please. What is motivating you? Have something that is motivating you, right? Just, if somebody could do it, I can do it too. It could be you trying to prove to yourself that you can actually do it, right? That is actually fine. It could be you trying to, just something that drives you, something that you want to be able to, something that, can encourage you to actually keep going. Yeah. Yeah, I need you to actually do well in the coming Jamb. Stop leaving 300 for them. No, join them. And on this journey, I am going to be with you every step of the way. See, I am already prepared to start motivating you every time. I'm prepared to drop tutorial videos that can help. I'm literally prepared to tell you all the inside tips and secrets that I feel like will help you in your coming examination. So stay with me and we're going to do this together, because you can and because you deserve it. So if you enjoyed this video, if this video motivated you and you want us to continue this journey together, kindly click on the subscribe button and stay with me so that I can see you in my next video. Bye.